How to fix Facebook cover photo not uploading. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook cover photo not uploading problem. So guys, for this I will show you some method. What you have to do is first restart your phone. Okay, restart your phone, and then after that go to Google Play Store. Now search for Facebook. After searching Facebook, you have to see whether they are asking for an update or not. Yes, they are asking for an update, so let's update this now. So it is installing. After installing, what you have to do is go to your phone settings, scroll down and go to app management or install apps. Now search for Facebook. Here is it. Just click on Facebook and you can see here force stop button. Just click on force stop and then you have to stop the force here. Now you have to click on storage and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and you can see here permission. Just click on permission and you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it, I'm doing this to solve your problem, just showing you. Now go back and let's go to Facebook. Just click on your profile icon and click to add cover photo. Select photo. So just click on upload photo and then let's select this. Save it. Refresh it. Uploading your cover picture, you can see here. So I guess this is done. Yeah, you can see here photo is on my back side, you can see here. So this is how you can fix your cover photo not uploading on Facebook. Thanks for watching.